Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to detect any copyright issues that you might be having with your Instagram Reels before uploading them. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to need the Instagram application. So go to the App Store and download the Instagram application if you haven't already. Once you have downloaded it up, we can go ahead and open it up. So you want to go ahead and log into your account from which you are uploading your reels and from which you want to go ahead and test out the copyright issues. So after uploading your account and logging in normally, we can now get started uploading our reels that we have. So what we can do is click this plus button right here in the middle of the page. At the bottom of the page, click the plus button. That's going to enable us to select the video we want to upload as a reel. So as you can see, after selecting our video, now this is going to be our preview page where you can take a look at the video we are uploading and we can get started editing it. So you have the edit option right here. You can go and manage anything, you can cut it, you can add any audio, any translations, text, anything you might want to need before getting started uploading it. So guys, now once you're satisfied and you want to upload it to your Instagram, you can just click the next button. By clicking the next button, it's going to upload the reel to your profile. So basically guys, if you're going to have a copyright issue, it's going to give you an error that the reel cannot be uploaded because there is a copyright issue and that you cannot use the video. If it uploads normally to your Instagram profile, then there is no copyright issue and you're going to have no problems. So just by uploading it, it's immediately going to tell you if it's copyright or not, so you will know. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.